How to create polls in Messenger group chat. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create polls in Messenger group chat. Let's get started. First, open Messenger. Now open the group chat. Tap on it. Now here you can see plus right here. Tap on this plus icon. Now you will see many options. Simply tap on this poll in order to create poll. Tap on it. Now you can just enter the poll question into anything like this. Now once you add it, you can add options right here like this. You can add multiple options like this. Once you add options and create the poll question, tap on create poll and your poll will be created. And that's it. This is how easy it is to create poll in group chat. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.